I grew up in downtown LA, Chinatown, Koreatown. I didn't really have a lot of access to the beach. It wasn't like I was going every single weekend just because my mom was always working, but it was something that was always on my mind, and anytime I would be able to go to the beach, it would just be like the best day of my life. And then when I do go back to the Philippines, where my family's from, like that's when I'm at the beach every single day. And the fact that we have a marine science campus right on the beach, where we have boats that go out every day, we have our own private beach, that was just really phenomenal to me, and that's a big reason why I chose to come here. I'm a climate and energy intern for the Governor's Office of Policy, Innovation and the Future. And along with that, I also work with the Department of Education. I work a lot surrounding climate education and what's the best and most effective way to teach students about climate change in a way that doesn't fearmonger, doesn't indoctrinate them. So I work a lot with trying to find credible, climate information. Yeah, I spent most of my internship as a remote work because of the pandemic, but recently I've been able to go into the office and I'm really excited about that. I kind of feel like a mini adult now, like, oh, I'm going into the office. I'm going into the State House to do adult stuff. It's just like, it brought the internship to a whole new level because originally I was doing all of this work online in my bedroom, and it's important work, but being able to do that work in an office and in the governor's office, it just really brings everything to a whole new level. I remember, senior year of high school, the Pacific Coast Highway caught on fire. How has that not been the tipping point? How have we not made more radical change because of that? I feel like there's nowhere to run. No matter where you go, climate change is gonna hit you. It's just gonna get worse and worse every year until something happens, and I wanna do something to fix that.